Oh, look, it's a box. Welcome back.
Yeah. Good. It's got an A on it. So this is the first one out of, the two versions, A and B.
Okay, listen here. Do you want the help or not?
Thank you so much for your help. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Oh, cars.
Yeah. What'd you think we were opening? A box of air?
That's our daughter in the background there. Okay. First up, we've got the 1970 Dodge Coronet Super B in straight black. Next up, we've got the 67 Chevy Corvette 427. Unfortunately, it's not a 63 split window. That would be amazing. In Marina Blue Poly. It's not a bad casting at all. Up next, we've got the 65 Pontiac Catalina 2x2 or 2+2 Royal Bobcat in Cameo Ivory. Very nice detail. Certainly living in the wrong era of cars.
Up next, or what do you want?
Yeah, up next.
That one?
Here we've got the 1980 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am in red orange. Pretty solid casting. Then we've got the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS 454 in black cherry poly. Pretty solid casting there. And then we've got the 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 in medium ivy green poly. That's pretty solid. Always appreciate great detail on the castings from these guys. Okay. And then here we have a White Lightning of the 65 Pontiac Catalina. Always nice to find one of these in the boxes. And there you've got it. That is version A of the Muscle Cars series 029. Thanks for watching. Till next time.